How to make CapCut electronic sounds. First, open up CapCut. Exit that. Press new video. Choose a video what you like. Press add video. Now press effects. Now press video effects. Motion. Let me try distortion. No. Trending. Okay, let me find it. Go to party. Now press blue navigate. Or you can even take off the ending, delete the ending, if you like. And then it will finally type Sony Vegas. Now tap on the video. Now press audio effects. Go to voice filters. Press synth. It's preview time. This one also looks like the mega photo version, but it's preview time. Now press export. Exporting video, you gotta wait until seconds or minutes or hours or days or weeks, probably. I don't want to start free trial. I don't want to start free trial. Go to your profile. Press plus to add. Press manage. Select more media if you have a Samsung. Now press the CapCut electronic sounds. And then you're going to type in the effect. I'm going to type in Samsung lookables in in CapCut electronic sounds. Now press upload. Choose not for kids or it's for kids. Alright, see you next time. Bye, enjoy this video.